So I've hit day 21 of my pepper experiment, and it looks like I'm either going to have to terminate this experiment or change directions with it. As you can see, some of the peppers are just shriveling up and dying, and others have just stunted growth. They've reached that point of toxicity earlier than I thought they would. You can see I am watering them using the instructions for watering a plant in soil that would be permeable. And however, this isn't permeable. All the water goes away via evaporation, and so it's exceeded the amount of fertilizer these plants can take up and use. Also, you can kind of see this is a little dull in color. The bloom did better than the acid. They may survive if I start just watering with regular water. The acid, I don't think I'm going to be able to save them. You can see the yellowing on the tips of the leaves. These guys are just about toast. So I'm going to just water them from now on with just water and see if they perk out of it. The seaweed of all the additives did the best, although they're starting to yellow. Again, they're just getting too many minerals compared to the just water, which is a little bit darker in leaves. And I think, again, it's just toxicity. It's like they're getting salt. Everything's getting fed too much salt because what they're receiving is minerals that are water soluble in a non-water soluble situation. So the plan from here on out is just to water using regular water, and hopefully I'll flush some of that excess minerals out of the peat pots. I expected this to happen. I just thought it would happen further on in the experiment, and this would allow me to get a little more growth and get a better comparison. So I'll water with water for a while, and maybe we'll revisit this experiment in a few days. So anyways, at this point in time, no more minerals.